Check out this video. This is Venango County, a big ice jam on Oil Creek. This video from Jay Dilks on X showing just how close the ice is to hitting the bridge, along with how fast the ice has been moving at times. And now it looks like rain in the forecast for the overnight hours. That could potentially complicate things.
Yeah, when you have a ice jam, you don't want it stuck. You want it moving because that means the river's moving and the water's able to move through those channels. What happens is those big blocks of ice, which are in some cases bigger than cars, just get stuck, and that causes the water to build up behind it. And that's what we're worried about, especially once you start adding flow to that. It speeds that process along, and we could have some backups. Now, it wasn't all ice jams and rain today. We got a rainbow from a Beaver County Uber driver. They snapped this one when they saw it in the sky this afternoon. A double rainbow. You can barely make out the second one there, but very bright. Nice shot to see. Got a few rainbows around the area, and we're going to get more rain tonight. What we've been watching are these storms moving from between Columbus and Cincinnati right now, moving towards Columbus and eventually on towards us. So we're going to see that build our way. That is the area where there is the greatest amount of ingredients all lined up for the potential of severe weather. And we just had some tornado warnings expire over there. A flash flood warning and a severe thunderstorm warning is still in play. We have maybe a gusty thunderstorm that we'll want to work through as the evening progresses and the overnight progresses, but that rain is still on the other side of I-77, which runs essentially Cleveland to Columbus. So we're waiting on that. You can see on the bottom left of your screen there, we still have some severe weather there, tornado watch, and of course the severe thunderstorm warning and flash flood warning. And when this gets here, we are going to get some waves of heavy rain, and that's our main concern out of this. Heavy rain coming into play after midnight through about 4 a.m. And then we're going to catch a little break with maybe a couple thunderstorms tomorrow early in the afternoon before the temperatures start to drop. And that's going to set us up with some rain and some snow, possibly, especially for those northern communities. Now, when you look at Sunday, you've probably been hearing about this winter storm system. This is going to have a greater impact on the East Coast and to our south. Some of that snow will make it up to Pittsburgh, and some of that snow is going to actually come in from lake effect trying to show up. But we're more so on the light to moderate side of snow. Early indications are we're looking at roughly 1 to 3 inches out of this one. Bigger amounts up in the mountains of West Virginia. We're talking the mountains of West Virginia. And then you look off to the East Coast, and that's where we're going to see another punch of this snow. This means that snow's in the forecast, that cold temperatures are as well. And temps this weekend and early next week are going to take quite a hit. We're going down into the lower 30s for highs, and then our temperatures will eventually try to get back up towards 50 later next week. So as it stands, we're still waiting on the rain and the thunderstorms to move in. Those are inching our way and will be with us for a good chunk of the overnight. And some of that rain, again, could be on the heavy side. As for tomorrow, temperatures top off in the low 60s briefly before falling down. And then we're going to have some gusty winds to deal with as well for the afternoon hours after a quick little thunderstorm. And from there, we see a colder weekend unfold. Of the 2 weekend days, Saturday's the better looking one with snow showers on Sunday. Come Monday, you're looking at maybe a couple snow showers left over and breezy conditions and temperatures only in the low 30s. We do start to come back a little closer to normal for Wednesday and Thursday.